Hello, lovely people. How are you guys doing? What's up? In today's video, my friends, I'll be showing you my favorite eyeliner look and how it makes my eyes look bigger and more defined. It's a makeup tutorial. Yeah, I'll be spilling my eyeliner secrets today. Eyeliner secret for you. Eyeliner secret for you. Eyeliner secret for you. You can see how my eyes are kind of going downwards here. And once I have the eyeliner on, they're like... I spit. Lifted, that's the word I'm looking for. Anyways, I just... yeah. First thing you'll need is eyeliner. Duh! I'm gonna use this gel eyeliner over here, and I like starting with a straight line. Like this. Everyone can do that. Don't find excuses. It doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be super thin or super thick. Just a line. Let's not put pressure on it. One mistake that I used to do, I would make that line kind of curved like this. It may look good on some people, but I don't like how it looks on me. Now the next thing that I will do is stop breathing, I guess. Oh my god. Don't forget to breathe when you're doing your eyeliner. That's a pro tip. Thank me later. Now you can see how I created a little triangle here by drawing that second line. The bigger the triangle, the thicker your eyeliner will be. So adjust it to your likings. And then we're gonna go ahead and fill it in. This is a very satisfying part. Boom, something like this. That's how I usually create the wing. Now you can see that it kind of looks unfinished on my eyelid here. You can see where it kind of stops. So I kind of want to make that line a little more smooth. I'm almost rubbing that brush between my lashes. I'm trying to get that eyeliner as closely to my lashes as possible. It's so much easier if you can have your eye open for this part, because you can see exactly where you're applying it. You can see how beautifully it fades in the inner part of my eye. Here guys, check it out. I was telling you how my lash line is naturally going downwards like this, and with the eyeliner I'm correcting that, and you can see the difference already. But this is not where I stop. Yes, you can stop here if you want, but I'm gonna just add a few more things. Okay, let's do the same thing, but this time with pen eyeliner. When you're using a pen eyeliner, make sure that you're not holding it like this. You don't want the point of that eyeliner to be pointing to your skin. You want to kind of lay the tip of the eyeliner on your skin. Hold it like this instead of like this. See, there is a difference. Not like this, like this. Okay, my wing is there. Now let's fade it towards the inner part of my eye. Guys, I have something important to say. I want to tell you a little secret about eyeliner. I came to the conclusion that eyeliner should not be perfect. The more you try to perfect it, the more you're likely to give up on it. Don't try to perfect it. Don't show weakness. I used to be so stressed out when I had to do my eyeliner because I was like, oh my god, am I going to make it look perfect? Oh, there is no way I can make it look good. And then I stopped caring, and that's when it started coming out nice. I'm wearing eyeliner to feel good about myself. I'm not wearing it to add one more level of anxiety in my life. I can't handle any more stress. The glass is already full. I'm sorry about the little rant, but yeah, so far this is how my eyeliner looks, and this is not where I stop. No. The next thing that I like doing is curling and coating my lashes with some mascara, and then here is one of my favorite parts. So I'm gonna take some brown eyeshadow, or an eyeshadow that is way darker than my skin tone, probably as dark as my eyebrows, and I'm gonna bring it in the outer third of my lower lashes, connecting it with the wing of my eyeliner. And this, my friends, this little shadow there makes a huge difference. I know that you won't believe me, but I'll show you the difference. Before, after. Before, after. Can you see how it kind of elongates my eyes? It makes my eyes look elongated. I really like adding some eyeshadow right here. I don't like taking this eyeshadow all the way to the inner corner of my eyes because that makes me look tired. Oh, guys. Okay, I'm gonna say something. You won't hear people say that, but I find that if this eyeshadow under your lower lashes is a little more not that well blended, it looks better. I don't know why. but it does. We were taught to blend everything out to perfection, but I like leaving it a little more harsh. It makes no sense. A little more sloppy. You know, it matches my character. Yeah. Hold on, let me find something. Let's add some highlights. Now when I say highlights, you can use shimmery highlights or you can use matte highlights. I usually prefer the shimmery ones, but today I'm gonna do something very out of my character. This palette is very dirty. I'm gonna take some of this matte, very bright eyeshadow. I wanna highlight this inner part of my eye here. I wanna add brightness. I wanna add brightness. I couldn't think of a different word. Brightness. Oh, look at that, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Yeah, maybe I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out a little because you know. And I also wanna highlight this part of my eye here. I got eyeshadow in my eye. Pat. My brush. All of this inner area, I want it bright. Adding brightness just changes everything. I like how my eyes almost look cartoonish in a way, you know, it's like they came out of a cartoon. This really exaggerates the eyes, it really adds definition to them. But there is one thing that will add even more definition to the eyes. Oh yes. False lashes in 3, 2, 1, go! Boom, boom, boom. Let's see the difference before, after. Before, after. I love doing that, I don't know why. And this is how I do my current favorite eyeliner look. I know that this video is a little shorter. I don't have enough time to film a longer one for this week. However, I posted a new video on my second channel, so definitely go and check it out. I hope you find this video useful. Let me guys know if you want to see more short videos like this, where I'm sharing with you my makeup tips and tricks. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye! Mwah.